The Cerebello of Italy State Railway running from Rome to Florence. Mm-hmm. Oh, are you recording me? The Cerebello of Italy of okay, one might expect that is a very expensive alternative. The other is built to train so that it tilts as it goes around a canted curve. That is a far less expensive choice than special roadbeds. But as many railway executives have discovered to their sorrow, it is not the most dependable option. West Germany. The West Germans were the pioneers of the 125-mile-an-hour plus train in Europe, but they were careful pioneers. Left to it was essentially. Okay. All right. Okay. That is Class 103 locomotive of German State Railway has hauls the Munich. What's up? Austerlitz? Amsterdam. Oh, Amsterdam. Senator. I'm trying to read it at a weird angle. Senator Express along the Rhine Valley. Germany's high-speed train, the ET-403, provides a rail-air link between Dusseldorf and Frankfurt Airport. Okay, there you go.